Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Hey,
All
what's
right,
up, man?
how you doing, sir?
Hey, look, in my man cave, walked out to get like a bottle of water for like an AC, and my son locked the door to the screen.
Gotcha. Oh, I'm gonna get you out, buddy. Don't worry.
See, I told you somebody was coming.
Oh, okay. I did turn it the right way. No? Maybe not. There we go. All right.
Thank you.
Got a pay for you. You got money in your piggy bank. Then he said he still wants to ride his bike.